Hi. So we are working on the graphing page. There's two versions of the graphing page. If the one in your worksheet does not look like this, then you can watch the other video instead and follow along with that one. So graphing. Number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. We're going to fill out this graph, and then we're going to answer these questions. Let's first look at the words. The first one is tree. Tree. And how many trees do we see? We can count. 1, 2, 3. We count 3 trees.
3.
If I'm going too fast, you guys can pause the video. Sorry, my hair is just everywhere. Number 2 is the next one is sidewalk. Sidewalk. 1, 2. 2 sidewalks.
2.
Our next word is teddy bear. Teddy bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teddy bears.
5.
Our next one is home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
We have 7 homes. And our last word is picture. Picture. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 pictures. 3 pictures.
3.
Okay. Now, let's look at this real quick. We have 3 trees, 2 sidewalks, 5 teddy bears, 7 homes, and 3 pictures. Number 1 says, which word has the most symbols? Most. Which has the most? Is it tree, home, or teddy bear? So let's look. We have tree, which has 3. We have home, which has 7. And we have teddy bear, which has 5. Which has the most if we look at the pictures? The one with the most is home.
Home.
Home has 7. So if you see here, compared to the other ones, it has the most. Let's do number 2. Which word has the fewest symbols? Not so many. Few. Home, picture, or sidewalk? The answer is, let's see, we have home is 7, picture is 3, sidewalk is 2. Which one has the least? Sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Sidewalk has the fewest symbols. Number 3, what is the highest number? Highest number, is it 3, 5, or 7? So we can see there's 3 here, 5, or 7. Which number is the most? 7.
7.
7 is the most for home. What is the lowest number? Lowest. You see here the lowest number. Is it 7, 2, or 3? We have 7, 2, or 3. Which one is our lowest number? It is 2.
2.
And our last question asks, number 5, do any words have the same number? Are there any words that have the same number? Yes or no? So let's see. We have 3, 2, 5, 7, 3. Are any of them the same? Yep. 3 and 3 are the same. 3, 3. So we're going to put yes.
Yes.
All right.